overhand on the right-hand side, weight is on the right foot. Then you're gonna lift your left leg, do a sweep under the leg, come out underhand, sweep up over the top, shorten the poi, come into your buzzsaw, lay it down onto the right hand. Then we turn that into the counterclockwise corkscrew as we turn with it, opening it up into your snake charmer, then reversing your snake charmer and doing the anti-turn, turning to the right, then bringing it back together. Then you're going to release that into regular length, turn with it, then come up into the pinwheel looking up, so you have a nice clean line, turn left into your overhand weave, turn right to your underhand weave, turn left to your overhand weave, turn right to your underhand weave, come up into your pinwheel again, bring it down into your overhand weave again, open your legs, stall your left poi between your legs, come into the overhand butterfly, take out right, take out left, go up right, go up left, repeat, so right out, right up, left up, and then overhand opposite pinwheel, coming down into that thread the needle, and then we're gonna double stall out, big scoop up over the top and drop stall. Now I'll repeat it without speaking it. This one, right, in clockwise. Okay, well then let's look at your left hand going under your left leg in clockwise. So if you think about it as, instead of the V stance where you're doing clockwise, if you think about it as the low turn connected to the high turn, you go under the leg during the low turn. And what you do is you lift, so if I just ignore the right hand, my left hand is overhand here, I shift my weight into my right leg. And as I shift my weight into my right leg, I can lift the left leg. Then the poi can come down toward my groin. So when your hand comes down towards your groin, you turn left and come out underhand. And don't even do a 360, just do a 180 to start with. So we're overhand here, take your weights, put it on your right leg, you're gonna lift your left leg as your left poi comes underneath it, and then come out underhand as you turn 180 degrees. Yes, and then when you, yes. And as soon as you get to this side, don't stop, keep going and come out underhand. If we did just the footwork, when you put your weight on your right leg and you lift your left leg, you pivot like that. You don't actually lift the right leg at all, and you don't step. So when you come under with the left poi, you don't have to step with your right leg at all. Let's do it a couple of times. And then what I want to do is, after we come under the leg and come out underhand, then sweep back over to the other side and reset. So your weight is on your right leg, and 5, 6, 7, 8, lift your leg, come underneath, come out underhand, and then sweep up over the top, back to overhand, right leg is forward, 5, 6, 7, 8. We'll lift the left leg, come out underhand, and sweep up over the top, and right leg's in front, 5, 6, 7, 8. Lift the left leg, sweep underneath, come out underhand, up over the top, and right leg's in front, 5, 6, 7, 8. Lift the left leg, sweep up over the top, and back to overhand. And last time, 5, 6, 7, 8. Lift the left leg, come out underhand, sweep up over the top, back to overhand. Now let's try it with both hands. The right hand just does what it normally does. The weight is on the right leg as we go into it. And as you push off, you're going to turn left just like you did. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Lift the left leg, sweep, come out underhand, up over the top to overhand. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Lift the left leg, sweep, and then up over the top. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Lift the left leg, sweep back, come up over the top. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Lift the left leg, come under the leg, sweep up over the top, back to overhand. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Lift the left leg, sweep up over the top. So you're underhand here. You're going to sweep over the top. As you sweep over the top, you wrap the poi up and go into your buzzsaw. You remember that? You're here from underhand, and it's as you're going over the top of your head, before you get down, it comes to the inside of the arms. Okay, now so we'll combine these together. So open this up to the side. The weight is going to be on the right leg. We're going to sweep back, go under the left leg. So we're overhand here. 5, 6, 7, and sweep back under the left leg. You come out underhand. Now we're going to sweep over and then come into the buzzsaw. Yeah, good job. And release. and we're back on the side plane, and 5, 6, weight on the right leg, and go. Sweep back under the left leg, come out underhand, sweep over, wrap up the poi, come into your buzzsaw, and release to the side. In overhand, weights on the right leg, 5, 6, 7, 8, sweep under the left leg, up, over the top, wrap up the poi, into your buzzsaw, 5, 6, 7, release, and 5, 6, 7, 8, sweep back, under the left leg, up, over the top, wrap it up into your buzzsaw, do a little back bend, bring it back, release to the side, and we're overhand, weights on the right leg, 5, 6, 7, sweep under the left leg, up, over the top, wrap it up into your buzzsaw, and release to the side. And we're back to overhand, and last time, weights on the right leg, 5, 6, 7, 8, sweep back, under the left leg, up, over the top, wrap it up, you're in your buzzsaw. Back. We'll build. So, we're here, we're gonna put the weight on the right leg, sweep back under the left leg, come out underhand, then we're gonna sweep over the top, shorten the poi, go into the buzzsaw, and then we're gonna plane shift the buzzsaw horizontal, so it's counterclockwise, and then turn it into the counterclockwise corkscrew, and then turn to the left with it, and then we'll separate the arms in the snake charmer, and then turn to the right with it in the snake charmer, and then bring the hands back together. Starting in overhand, facing the right, weight is on the right foot, 5, 6, 7, 8, sweep back under the left leg, sweep up, wrap the poi up into your buzzsaw, plane shift it down onto the right hand, into the counterclockwise buzzsaw, come into the corkscrew short, turn to the left with the corkscrew, then separate the corkscrew to the snake charmer, then turn to the right and bring the poi back together into your corkscrew, then release the corkscrew into long, so full length, turning to the left, try not to tangle your hair like I did, and then plane shift it up into pinwheel, and come down and overhand weave on the left, turn to underhand weave on the right, turn to overhand weave on the left, underhand weave on the right, come up into counterclockwise pinwheel, turn left to overhand weave again, open it up, stall your left poi between your legs, boom, turn to the right into overhand butterfly, and then we'll do right takeout, left takeout, right goes up, left goes up, right goes out, left goes out, right goes up, left goes up, and then that overhand opposite pinwheel that we did last week, bring it back down into butterfly, and then do your thread the needle, and then double stall out, and bring it up and drop stall. Okay, here we go. We're overhand facing the right, weight is on the right leg, and sweep back under the left leg, come out underhand, sweep up, wrap up the poi, go into your buzzsaw, plane shift it down onto the right hand, then from here, come into the counterclockwise small corkscrew, turn to the left with it, open it up into your snake charmer, turn with it, then turn in the snake charmer to the right, then bring your poi back together. Then you're going to release your poi into long poi, turning left with it, and then you'll come back around to your front, plane shift it up to your pinwheel, come down on the left into overhand weave, turn right to underhand weave, turn left to overhand weave, turn right to underhand weave, turn left to pinwheel, turn left to overhand weave, open up the weave, stall the left poi between the leg, turn right into the butterfly, right takeout, left takeout, right goes up, left goes up, and then repeat those 4. Right takeout, right goes up, left goes up, overhand opposite pinwheel, come down into thread the needle, and then double stall out and drop stall over the top. And then we're going to turn to the right, go into overhand circles and repeat. So here we go, 5, 6, 7, and sweep under the left leg, up, shorten the poi, come into your buzzsaw, plane shift it down onto the right hand, and then we're going to come into the counterclockwise corkscrew small, turn to the left with it, then open it up into the snake charmer, then turn to the right with that, and then bring the poi back together, release, I'm with you, release the poi into full length, turn to the left, come around to your front, and plane shift it up, looking up into your pinwheel, turn left into your overhand weave, turn right to underhand weave, turn left to overhand weave, turn right to underhand weave, come up into your pinwheel again, turn left into overhand weave, open it up, open your legs, stall your left poi, come into overhand butterfly, right takeout, left takeout, right goes up, left goes up, right takeout, left takeout, right goes up, left goes up, and then we're going to do that overhand opposite pinwheel, come back down into thread the needle, and then double stall out, drop stall over the top, and turn to the right in circles, and 5, 6, 7, and sweep back under the left leg, come up, shorten the poi, go into your buzzsaw, plane shift it down onto your right hand. Then we're going to turn to the left in the corkscrew, short poi, turning left, turning left, turning left, open it up into your snake charmer, and then keeping your snake charmer, turn to the right with it, go slow if you need to, then come back to the front, then release the poi into full length, and then go around, and then you're going to plane shift it up while you look up, bring it up into your pinwheel, come down on the left into your overhand weave, turn right to underhand weave, turn left to overhand weave, turn right to underhand weave, turn left 90 degrees up to the pinwheel, turn another 90 degrees to overhand weave, open up the legs, stall the left poi between the legs, turn to butterfly on the front, right takeout, right goes up, left goes up, right takeout, right goes up, left goes up, come up into overhand opposite pinwheel, come down into your thread the needle, and then we're going to double stall out and come up and drop stall, and then we'll do the sequence one more time, coming on the right hand side and overhand, put the weight on the right leg, sweep back underneath the left leg, come out underhand, sweep up, shorten the poi, come into your buzzsaw, and then we're going to knock it down or lay it down on top of the right hand, come into your counterclockwise short poi corkscrew, turn to the left with it, and then open it up into your snake charmer, and then turn to the right in your snake charmer so your arms are open but you're still doing that corkscrew, and then come back together into a regular old corkscrew here, your short poi corkscrew, then release into the full length, turn to the left with it, coming all the way around, and now look up, bring it up, come up into your pinwheel, come down on the left into overhand weave, turn right to underhand weave, turn left to overhand weave, turn right to underhand weave, turn left up into the pinwheel, turn left down into the weave, open your legs, stall your left poi between your legs, turn right, overhand butterfly, right takeout, right comes up, left comes up, right takeout, right comes up, left comes up, overhand opposite pinwheel, and then bring that down into the thread the needle, and then we're going to double stall out and come up and drop stall, boom.